Bitchy on the track. Let go. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. You be like oh, then be like hey. You be like oh, then be like hey. Okay. Break down the swisher. Roll it real big. If you do not like me, I do not give a shit. I'm gonna do me. Every day, I feel sorry for you. Your cookies crumbled that way. Boo, I'm way better than you. I don't know why you think you cool. I can do this shit every day. Rain on you like the month of May. The real bitchy on the track is guaranteed to be a hit. I'm allergic to you tricks and you niggas talking shit. Skeletons all in my closet. Boo, do not try it. You do not want it, me as your opponent. Hope you niggas get the picture and that I'm not playing. And if you try me, I guess I will be slaying. Break it down, roll it up. Don't give a fuck. All I'm rocking this summer is khaki shorts and chucks. Man, these niggas love D. Not on my level, I'm above D. This is my boiling point, and I guess it's time to just spill the tea. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. You be like oh, then be like hey. You be like oh, then be like hey. Okay. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. I smoke the loud that makes me feel like I am in space. I hate niggas frontin' and selling that red J. They lie with the straight face. This shit ain't smelly. I'm trying to eat healthy, so I ate some fruit. So when I ski, it tastes better for you. Bitchy just gon' go harder. It's gon' be a disaster. Shout out to May 11th. That shit couldn't come faster. Loud all in my swisher. Shout out if I fuck with you. I was the perfect to his picture, and I did every fucking thing with you. Gave you wood when no one else would it. Hope you change before it's too late. Until then, I'ma just make my cake. Got a sweet tooth, and that shit ain't normal. Thought I wanted dark chocolate, but I'm back to eating caramel. Man, these niggas love D. Not on my level, I'm above D. This is my boiling point, and I guess it's time to just spill the tea. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. My rhymes are so sickening. They make you say okay. You be like oh, and be like hey. You be like oh, and be like hey. What up, it's me, Zero Bitchy. I'm so sick and tired of niggas fucking with me. I try to be nice, keep a smile on my face, but what these niggas doing, no short of a disgrace. I'm the baddest nigga this bitch, one loyal down ass trick. You did me wrong, then you play me like I was some bullshit. It's bitchy, nigga, really, nigga. Deliver from me, nigga. I know he loved me too, at least from everything I seen, nigga. But it's cool, do you? About to graduate from school, and I'm sure I won't see you. Won't even see you. My heart was genuine. My home was a safe place. Repent from my heartbreak, and then you can get saved, bitchy.